Anna? Hi, everyone. Ever felt nervous ordering coffee or asking for directions in English? By the end of this video, you'll have the exact phrases you need to travel with confidence. No perfect grammar required.
Yes, welcome, welcome. I'm Mike.
Direct promise. Stick around because in the next few minutes, you'll learn everything you need to speak English confidently while traveling.
And today, learn English and travel with confidence, without any means.
That's right. If you love traveling, but you feel nervous speaking English at the airport, in taxis, or at hotels, this episode is for you.
We're going to walk through a real trip, step by step, from packing your bag to coming home again.
So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and relax. Let's learn together.
Let's go!
1. Preparing for your trip. Anna. Before any trip, we prepare. Useful words: passport, ticket, luggage, suitcase, itinerary.
An itinerary is just your travel plan, where you go and when.
A simple phrase: I need to pack my bags. Or, don't forget your passport.
Trust me, I forgot mine once. Not fun.
2. At the airport. At the airport, you'll hear check-in, boarding pass, gate, departure.
Useful sentence. Where is the check-in counter for Delta Airlines?
Role play time. Mike, you're the staff.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go. Can I have a window seat?
Of course. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 3 p.m.
Simple, right? Don't be shy. Just speak slowly and clearly. 3. Going through immigration. Mike, immigration can feel scary, but it's really simple. Anna, they ask, what's the purpose of your visit? You answer, tourism, or I'm visiting family. Mike, how long are you staying? 1 week or 10 days. Short answers are perfectly fine here. No need for long sentences. 4. Collecting luggage. Mike, next, baggage claim. Look for your flight number on the screen. Anna, if your bag is missing, say, my luggage didn't arrive. Can you help me? Good phrase to remember. Excuse me, where is baggage claim for flight AF 204? 5. Asking for directions. Now you're outside. Time to ask directions.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Or, is it far from here? Can you show me on the map?
Useful words. Turn left, turn right, straight ahead, next to, across from.
Role play. I'm lost, Mike.
No problem. Go straight, then turn left at the bank. It's next to the hotel.
Thank you so much. 6. Taking a taxi.
Can you take me to this address, please?
How much will it cost is very useful before you get in.
And please stop here when you arrive.
Small tip: always confirm the price first. It saves surprises later. 7. Buses, trains, and the subway.
Mike, does this bus go to the city center?
Anna, which platform for the train to Boston?
Is this seat taken? Is a great polite question, too.
Public transport vocabulary. Ticket, platform, one-way, round trip.
8. Checking into a hotel. Mike, hi. I have a reservation under the name Mike Johnson.
Could I get a room with a nice view?
What time is checkout? Very important question.
Role play. I'm at the front desk. Good afternoon. Checking in?
Yes, reservation under Anna Smith.
Here's your key. Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Perfect. Thank you.
9. Asking hotel staff for help. Mike, could you call a taxi for me, please? Anna, is there Wi-Fi in the room? Can I get extra towels? Mike, Simple, polite, and always effective. 10. Ordering food at a restaurant. Anna, can I see the menu, please? Mike, I'd like the chicken salad, please. Notice I'd like. It's polite and easy. Anna, is this dish spicy? Is helpful if you don't like spicy food. And don't forget, can I have the bill, please?
11. Ordering coffee and drinks. Anna, can I get a small latte, please? Mike, for here or to go is what the barista might ask. Answer, to go, please, if you're in a hurry. Pronunciation tip, latte. Sounds like latte, not lat. 12. Shopping in stores. Anna, I'm just looking, thank you. Perfect if you don't need help yet. Mike, do you have this in a bigger size? Anna, can I try this on for clothes?
13. Asking about prices.
Mike, how much is this?
Simple and clear.
Is there a discount? You can always ask, even if the answer is no.
No harm in trying. 14. Paying with cash or card.
Can I pay by card?
Do you accept cash?
Can I get a receipt, please? Always useful. 15. Visiting tourist attractions. Mike, what time does the museum open? Anna, how much is a ticket for adults? Mike, is there a discount for students?
16. Asking people to take a photo. Anna, excuse me, could you take a photo of us, please? Just press this button. Simple instructions help a lot.
And afterward, thank you so much. That's perfect. 17. Meeting new people. Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Is a classic friendly question. What brings you here? Works well for travelers too. 18. Starting small conversations. Talk about the weather. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Or the place. This city is amazing, don't you think? Small talk builds confidence. Start simple, and it gets easier.
19. Asking for help politely.
Excuse me, could you help me, please? Sorry to bother you, but is a gentle, polite way to start. People almost always say yes when you're polite and smile. 20. Going to a pharmacy. Do you have something for a headache? I need medicine for a cold. How many times a day should I take this?
21. Visiting a doctor or hospital.
Mike, I don't feel well. My stomach hurts.
Anna, I need to see a doctor, please.
Mike, is there a hospital nearby? Good to know just in case.
22. Handling travel problems. Anna, things happen. Let's cover the big ones.
Mike, lost passport. I lost my passport. Where's the embassy?
Anna, lost luggage. My suitcase is missing. Can you help me find it?
Mike, missed flight. I missed my flight. Can I get the next one?
Anna, wrong hotel reservation. There's a problem with my reservation. I booked a double room.
Mike, stay calm, speak slowly, and someone will help you.
23. Emergency English. Anna, help me, please. Call the police. Call an ambulance.
Mike, this is an emergency. Short sentences save time when it matters most.
Anna, remember these. They could really help one day. 24. Useful travel tips.
Mike, learn key phrases before you go. Even 10 phrases make a huge difference.
Anna, smile. Speak slowly. It's okay to repeat. Sorry, can you say that again?
Mike, people are usually kind to travelers who try. 25. Common mistakes learners make.
Anna, big one. Worrying too much about grammar instead of just talking.
Mike, another. Staying too quiet because of fear. Speak anyway.
And forgetting simple politeness words like please and thank you. They go a long way. Wrap up.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Let's quickly review. Excuse me. Can you help me? How much is this? I'd like. Where is? Thank you so much.
These few phrases can take you almost anywhere in the world.
Practice every day, even just a little. Speak out loud, even alone.
Mistakes are okay. Traveling is about connecting with people, not perfect grammar.
Enjoy your trip and enjoy speaking English with confidence.
Mike, thank you so much for watching StartSpeak English today.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.
That way, you'll never miss a new lesson.
Until next time,
Bye, everyone, and safe travels.
bye!